What's up, guys? Tyler here. I want to talk to you about an opportunity today in 3 International, which you can see some of the supplements pictured in the frame. Now, this opportunity is in the network marketing space. If you followed me up till now, or whoever sees this video, you know health is very important to me. I struggled with sobriety, in my 20s, and now entering into my 31st year of life. I take my health very seriously after damaging it. And it didn't take long. Really, finally, consistently 6 months sober. Been off and on for the last year, though, where I only drank 3 times in the last 12 months. So that's pretty cool. But that just kind of goes into why I'm talking to you about this opportunity with 3 International. I have been in sales the last 10 years in mortgages, insurance, my own painting company. My wife is a real estate agent. We're located here in St. Augustine, Florida. All these books back here I've read over the course of the last decade, but you don't really learn anything until you do things. So I know a lot of people are out there, especially in the times we're living in, might be looking for some extra income. But the problem is we don't have much time to build a business. We don't have the mentorship, the leadership, the camaraderie, the teams to be able to do it in a way that'll work. Something that we might even believe in. And this is so a lot of us wind up stuck. And I've been the person that I was known from a young age, wanting enough money and having to do it on my own, and figure it out, is that I needed to be in business. So, right out of the gate, or business or sales. I mean, you can be in sales, but without a specialized degree, it's hard to make a good deal of money, especially in the times we're living in now, once again, to pay your bills, and just really live a life that you like to live, and that you're happy living with everything that you need, and getting to wants, wanting more time. So, just freedom with your kids, freedom to travel, make money while you travel. Different. You insert what your want need is, and I'd love to talk about your goals and what they may be. But if you're looking for an extra 200, 500, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000 plus extra a month, this opportunity gives you that vehicle. But the good thing about it is these supplements are really great, because there's nothing synthetic about them. I've dove really deep into supplementation. And I only really believe in a few things, being that I'm trying to be somewhat of a bodybuilder, not necessarily compete, but eat that type of diet, build that type of physique. Not everybody's trying to do that, but everybody does need to have their gut as healthy as possible. And I mean, really, the more I dive deeper into this, our guts are our second brain. Once again, I'm not a doctor, but there are a lot of doctors that are behind these supplements. We just need people who are looking for an opportunity, who love to take care of their health or want to take care of their health, and just looking for a group of people that want to help them get there. Because truth is, in this type of business, in network marketing, people say, well, scam. But, scam just means you're still confused about money. And I heard that the other day, and I just love that because it is a true business. But the good thing about it, it's better than most businesses. You're not always chasing one sale. You get to talk to people and meet people and share a great product. One, which we looked around for many opportunities like this because we're in the gym or we're sorry, I got a text about the gym, but we're in the area of having kids, and we want to spend more time with our kids, spend more time with each other, my wife and I, and be able to travel and do things and give us a vehicle that we can do all of that checks all boxes, and it takes time to get there. And it will, but it all comes down to your mindset and different things that we've done a lot of coaching on. We do a lot of personal development. Every single day is a new day to develop yourself into something better. So that's what we focus on. And this opportunity, once again, it just gives anybody out there looking for the same thing the ability to do that. Any business that you look at and try to open up, it costs a lot of money, and then you're usually on your own. You can hire a mentor that also costs a lot of money to expedite the process, but in this type of opportunity and what we have on our team and you Crew Nation and A Team, um, we already have the mentorship and leadership plugged in. The team's already plugged in. All the systems are already plugged in on your phone. You have an actual blueprint of success towards the goal that you want to do. So if you're like, hey, Tyler, I need to make an extra 500. Hey, Tyler, excuse me. I need to make 2,000. I'd like to pay my mortgage off with this business and work my corporate job or do what else I'm doing already. I just need something else to give me some purpose in life, make me feel better for one, because we take the products too. I've never felt better. I hope you can tell by my skin. I mean, yes, getting sober, eating good, working out every day is huge, but then adding this, because we are breathing things in, the water we drink, the metals we're taking in from the foods we eat. Who knows, guys? So I want to make sure I'm getting all of those out with, this is a detox here. This is for just, if you're in chronic pain, I take this because I work out every day. I like not to be sore and hurting, and it helps. Immune, for the times we're going in with all these different viruses and, different weather changes, keeping your immune up top. And the other thing, I mean, this other one that's not pictured is all your aminos, vitamins, and minerals. But the big thing about these guys, third party tested. There's 800 doctors already on board because they are in the PDR, the Physician's Desk Reference Booklet, where if you go to your doctor and say, hey, can you find this 3 International supplement for me? They'll be able to look it up, tell you everything that's in it, and tell you how great it is by the profiles that make up the supplement. And once again, I'm not a doctor, so I can't really dive so deep into that. We have plenty of material that you can study and dive deep on if you want. I did all of that and say, yeah, I believe in this. And I take them once again. I'm about 60 days in, so I've taken 2 months of product, and I won't ever stop taking it. So I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna help people get to the opportunity, and I'm going to help them succeed within the opportunity, because our success relies on your success as well. That's the other great thing. Usually you go to your job, they don't value you, they can cut you the next day, and it's really sad that we put so much time and effort into our job, but we don't put so much time and effort into living the life that we want to live, being as healthy as we want to be, growing a vehicle and a business that will ultimately give us the things that we desire. And it goes deep. Like, we don't need all of these things, honestly. Like, we can find a lot of worth internally. But once again, I don't want to dive deep into the mindset stuff. You can go to the other videos. But this is just an opportunity that I want to spread to as many people as possible, to join a winning team, to join a team of people who care, give you all the systems, tools, and blueprints that you can succeed with, because this is what the problem is. Everybody wants to do all these different things. They go to one thing, they don't get what they need, it's too hard, they give up, they go to the next thing, and that's what you see. So I'll tell you one thing, it's like, if you pick the right vehicle, something that you believe in, and you have everything that's plugged in, just work the system and do it. And over time, and really, the harder you work the system that's already laid out for you, the more results you will get. And if you want those more results, just put more work and effort towards it, and you'll start learning. And you may hit roadblocks and get no's and all these different things, but that's the growth. That's the things you have to go through and push through and get better at. And on the other side of that is everything that you want. So I hope this helps. 3 International, go below this video, drop on our little email newsletter, send me a text. My direct line's in there. The opportunity links in there, the products are in there. I'll send you more videos on all the stuff from the doctors that are involved, and so you can dive deeper in how great these are for ourselves through cellular absorption technology, liposomal transmission. It's just crazy, and it's crazy awesome, and we love it. So hope you will too. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.